The bullet point, probably one of the blandest things in the world, the typographical equivalent of an Ust on Allegro. Luckily though in Webflow it's easy to replace the bullet point with your own SVG, PNG or JPEG. And in this video I'll show you how to do this in a couple of simple steps. Okay, so I've got a basic setup here with a section and a container. So I'm going to grab a list from the Elements panel and drop it into the container. And let's close the options for now. And I'm going to delete the last two list items because we'll make our own that we'll copy and paste into the list when we're done. So with the list item selector, we'll come over to the style selector. Now if you want to style all of the list items on your website to be the same, then you can go ahead and select the all list items class. But in this case, I'm going to give mine a class of list_item, just so it only affects list items with this class. So now we can start styling this. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off the bullet point. And under backgrounds, we'll add a background image. And I've already got an SVG that I want to use as my bullet points in the asset, so I'm going to select this. And then over in the background settings, we'll change the background position to center and left. We'll set the background repeat, or tile as it's called here, to don't tile. And we'll give it a size somewhere along the lines of the font size that you're using on your site. So I'll go with 1 rem, but you can go with whatever size you want. Okay, so now we just need to do a couple more things with the padding of the list item. So we'll go to the list item settings. And let's add some text so we can see how much padding we'll need to add. And now that we've added text, you'll see that it's overlapping the bullet point. So we'll come back over to the style panel. And let's add a bit of padding to the left. Again, you can use as much or as little as you want. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and copy and paste more items into the list. And one more thing you probably need to do is give this list item a bit more breathing space. You can see that the list items are a bit too close together. So again, with the list item selector, we'll come over to the style panel and give it a bit of bottom margin. And that's how to make custom lists in Webflow. So if you found this video useful, drop a like below. In fact, drop a like for the Ust on Allegro. It needs a bit of love after years of having the piss taken out of it. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.